Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Start a Small Garden with Madonna, and today I'm going to show you my expanded garden and my first spring vegetable harvest. So let's get started. So here is my new garden that I have expanded, but some of the vegetables are really mostly are green leaves are spring vegetables. So I have some Swiss chards here in my garden, and then they are really very prolific and very healthy. I highly recommend it because they are really great to eat in salad or stir fries. And over here I have some different kinds of kales. I have some red Russian kales and curly kales. These are really very productive plants, and I have some peas I grow along with it to give some nitrogen. And along this one I have some mixed oriental greens. They're like lettuce, mustards, and kales. Then I put some red mustards as well. This is my first time growing them, but they are really very productive. They are come and cut again, so I really highly recommend this. And today let's harvest some mustard. This one is not the large one. This one is the spring mustard, but I have also a Florida broadleaf mustard, which they have much bigger leaves, like twice the size. So this one, it really has a fast growing rate, so you can add them to salad or stir fries as well. And I highly recommend to harvest them while still young or early if you like to eat them tender. So I have some arugula here as well, and then some different kinds of lettuce. Actually, I have planted some onions and alyssum for flower. That's to avoid some of garden pests. And so far I have not encountered so much pest this season. So over this way, this is my red mustard. This is really fast growing as well, but this one has a bigger leaves, but it has really this vibrant and different colors, so it's kind of very exciting to grow, and I really enjoy them. Very crunchy and super easy to grow as well, and pest free. So far at this time I have planted them in in-ground bed, because if you watch my previous videos, I have my noted garden, and it is really very limiting for me to plant. So this time I tried to plant some tried an in-ground garden bed, and so far it is really doing pretty well. I love that the plants can grow really fast and healthy. And along this lane I planted peas. This is one of my favorite variety of peas. This one is the Cascadian peas. They are very highly prolific. They are very short, only they don't climb that much. So I just put some bamboo stakes for them to have a support, along with kale and then alyssum, of course. And so far this is my garden for today. I have different kinds of vegetables going on here, growing, but I'm excited to share with you guys. How are you all? I'm really pretty excited. I'm sorry. And what's your favorite spring vegetables that you really love to grow? And here, speaking of peas, let's gather some peas. These are Cascadian. They are really highly prolific peas. As long as you continue to harvest them because they will keep on producing lots of pods. So for this season, I really did not fertilize it so much, but still they still have a lot of produce. However, this way I kind of plant them along with green leafy vegetables like Swiss chards, kales, and mustard. They kind of like my sacrificial plant as well, but they still produce lots of pods, so I'm pretty happy. As you can see over here, I just really let them grow along the side and the side of my garden bed, and they don't really require for you to make them very very tall trellis, because they're pretty short, like 2 or 3 feet like that. And scatter as well. Also, I have my sweet potato bed over here, so to provide them with nitrogen as they are growing, I planted them along with the peas as well. So it is really very amazing because my garden was able to bounce back from last year. It has been raining here and pretty windy, so I decided to harvest some vegetables. So these peas are really very sweet, very prolific. You can eat them raw or saute, and they cook very well, pretty fast, so you can mix it with your greens, no problem. This is a variety that I really highly recommend, Cascadias. Now let's go here. I saw some few celery here. I have experimented to plant them in my nosy garden. They grow pretty well. This one is in the organic side. I did not put a lot of fertilizer here, but I just try a few to see. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and please let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. I'd love to hear it. How's your garden? And I'll let you know what's going on more in my garden in my next series for my garden tour. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. Happy gardening.